Okay guys, how we all doing today? So this is the video where I'm doing shoutouts for all the people who sent me the graphic designs for my merchandise, as well as my new banner, both on Life Made Easy and Gaming Made Easy. So I really appreciated all the people who sent me the designs. I think I got everyone here. If I missed one, guys, please let me know, because I want to give credit where credit is due, and I really want to help support the people that have supported me, because I really appreciate all the work that you guys put in, even if you didn't win the competition, and even if I'm actually not using your design. I appreciate you guys helping me out and helping the channel out. So first off, we got Stuns here, big supporter of the channel, watches a lot of my content. He's a Fortnite streamer and YouTuber. He currently has 424 subscribers, and he uploads a lot of Fortnite content and stuff like that. So guys, by the way, go subscribe to all these guys. They're awesome channels and stuff like that. So if you click on his about page, meant to entertain and inform. I am in the progress right now of finding out what to post, as I am not having fun with many games, as video games are main content here. Enjoy. So guys, awesome guy here. Go subscribe. Also, I love his logo. The Fortnite stuff, really solid there. Okay, next, moving on, we have Harvey in HD. Sadly, this guy doesn't have any content, but he somehow has 10 subscribers. So guys, go subscribe to him. Hopefully he'll post content in the future if he gets more subs. Doesn't have a description, but whatever. Enjoy. So yeah, guys, go head over there. I also like the brick stuff he made. Really nice there. Nice graffiti art. And then we have over here, we got Dash Gaming. Currently has 106 subscribers, and he has the Stewie Griffin logo in there as well. I like what he has here with his banner, subscribe, Xbox controller, and PS4 controller. Seems to be posting a lot of Fortnite content, which is really nice. He also has a Mixer where he live streams and stuff. You guys can go follow him on Mixer as well, Andrew Dash. So yeah, I also had one person who did a submission, but sadly I couldn't find their YouTube channel. There was no link to it or anything. But yeah, I can't really give a shout out to someone who doesn't have a channel. And also, I did have another person for my banner. I'm gonna be doing a whole separate video on that, because it's they didn't want a shout out specifically since they don't have a YouTube channel. I'm gonna be promoting their website instead, but that's in the future, not right now. So yeah, guys, go subscribe to all these guys. Leave a like on this video. Subscribe if you're new. Turn on notifications. We're almost at 15,000 subscribers, which I'm really excited about. And I don't know why YouTube's having like a glitch right now when it comes to views. My views have like plummeted, but it's just a glitch in the system I saw. Not too worried about that. So guys, also go subscribe to Gaming Made Easy if you guys are interested in Minecraft, Fortnite, any kind of game, streaming over there, doing funny reaction videos as well. So go do that as well. You can also check out my merchandise. I have brand new merchandise in my shop. If you guys are interested in any of the design, you can go over there and check it out for yourself. Also, you can use my Amazon affiliate links down in the description below if you want anything, and if you want to get any of the equipment I use to make my videos, you can do that. Also got my brand new Elgato HD60, which I've been using to stream things. Been amazing so far. 10 times better than my other capture card. Just 1080p 60 FPS, but I've been just using 720p 60 FPS, and that still looks really solid. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next Life Made Easy video. Peace.